It's me with my cousin. Yeah, you probably guys know me, guys, because I used to make shorts videos. Yeah. I never do the live, guys. I don't know how to live. What? It's a live. You don't know that? What?
Saka na meron ka dito din eh.
May nakakamay pa ako.
Yeah, that. Ignore the background sounds. Yeah, it's a lot of messy. It's a little bit messy. Yeah.
Baka dyan sa gilid. Yun eh.
My there you go. If you're gonna pause this, you're gonna click
Ginagaano
this.
natin.
Yes.
Hindi ako
I look so cute, guys, because I go to the church with my necklace and my braces. Whoa.
Yung ganyang kwento, matik na yan.
Oh my gosh, there's a chicken.
Parang kambal.
What? Oh, my chicken! Chicken son. Pero guys, totoo kami ay Pilipino talaga. Ito kasi Englishera eh. Ano nga Englishera? Manay ka English. Yun. Talaga ka? Bakit? Englishera ka naman kita. Bakit? Englishera ka naman talaga eh. Bakit? Joke lang. Ano ba yung Englishera?
Eh!
Oo, English. Oo.
Ano nga eh, konti
When I
siya, parang
English.
ano.
Sino ba yun? It's 1 minute, guys. We're gonna make a sound for you. Hey, my shawty. Hey, my shawty. What the? Get my number. Get my number.
Matik! Sinabihan mo si paring kambal eh, pre. Yes na, huwag kang matik. Labas na
I
ako,
think
pre.
it's the end. I don't know how.
Ginagawa niya,
So, bye! Boy!